Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're going to take a look at some headphones from 1MORE. These are the 1MORE SonoFlows over-ear headphones HQ51. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so here we have the 1MORE SonoFlows over-ear headphones HQ51. If you guys did not watch my review of the older Sonoflows, I actually still have them. These are really great headphones. I use them for a very long time, and these are my go-to when it comes to sound quality and just blocking all the extra stuff that's happening. But this is the actual headphones itself. You guys can pause this and read it for yourself. Quiet Max AI noise cancellation, tuned by a Grammy-winning sound engineer. Fast charge, 5 minutes of charging equals 10 hours of time. You guys can pause all that. Want to read it for yourself. 100-hour battery life, 40mm DLC dynamic drivers. You know what that means. You're going to get some bass on this. So let me get a knife and I'll be right back. So let's just pop this baby open and see what it looks like here. See if we can get a little slice and dice. Don't want to do this too crazy if I don't have to. Alright, here we go. It's like Christmas up in here. Got the plastic, taking the plastic off. Alright, 1MORE SonoFlows HQ51. Wow. Nice presentation as far as the box, how it looks. And here we go. I'm excited. I did actually really love my original Sonoflows that I had. As you can see, you have your carrying case, 1MORE logo in the middle right here. And we have your zipper here as well, and you have your little loop so you can hook it on things. And the zipper, it does have the 1MORE logo on it as well. Let's just take this out and see what it looks like. From the picture, it looks very similar to the original Sonoflows that I had, as you can see. So you have a little foam insert around the headphones. And here we go, guys. Sonoflow, the brand new Sonoflows. 1MORE logo on the, was it the right hand side? Yes, the right side, it's in gold, and you look like you have a logo over here. It's called Quiet Max. All right, and we can extend them and we can fold them in as well. Let's see what else we have in the box. Well, inside the carrying case, it looks like you have your charging cable. Looks like it's, oh no, this is your 3.5 to 3.5 headphone jack cable. So if you want to hardwire it into a device that has a an audio jack, you guys could use that as well. And on the inside, you do have a user guide if you guys are into the user guide stuff. As far as the headphones itself, let's check them out. I'm going to pair them up. So you do have your noise canceling button right here, and then you have your volume up and down, and you have your 3.5 jack, and you have your Type-C charging port. It's on the left side and the bottom. Let's just compare them to the original Sonoflows. So it looks like the original Sonoflows was in gray, and the logo was in a lightish gray color. As you can see, this one is in gold now, and these were gray and these are black, so it does have that matte black look to them. But as far as setting everything up, let me just pair this up and I'll be right back. Do have your LED right over there as well. I will be testing these out on my brand new iPhone 16 Pro Max. We will be right back. Let's try these out. Alright guys, so we are now back. I did a little bit of testing and I did actually check out the app as well. So on the app, it does have a few instructions of how to use your headphones, as you guys can see from here. I set it up on my Bluetooth, the 1MORE HQ51s. It does have a little bit of instructions. If you guys are curious, you guys can pause that and read for yourself for the extra tips. Playback and phone calls, select songs, and the volume adjustment. You do have that on the side controls of your headphones itself. Play on pause for the phone calls and the playback. Voice control on cell phones. listening mode. So you do have the noise canceling button as well on there, and it does actually come in 2 different colors. This is me with the headphones on, checking it out. That was the other side. So for my review of these, my quick little initial review, if you guys want to hear more information, so these are better than the original Sonoflows, and I did actually have to check back, and I actually had to listen to the original Sonoflow since I haven't put them on in a while. But as far as the overall settings, you do have the custom EQ now. Let me go into the 1MORE app so I could show you. So if you guys had the original Sonoflows, you had to download the 1MORE music, and now you have the 1MORE app. All right, so as you can see, you do have the logo and the picture of your headphones here. You do have your listening modes, which is strong. You have your active noise canceling, or you have your transparent mode, which is okay. It's not the best in the world, but what I actually had to do, since the quality sounds great, it's just that the volume was not too high for my liking, so I did have to do the custom EQs, and I actually turned this all the way up so I could see how it is when it's fully blasted, and it did sound good. It was definitely more loud than the original Sonoflows. As you can see from here, you have your settings and your shortcuts, and you have your guide as well. But would I actually recommend these? So if I did actually recommend the original Sonoflows, which I did, these are actually more comfortable. You do have the soft cups right here, really nice. And as you can see, after about a year or so, these are actually still intact as well. So the materials are really good when it comes to these 1MORE Sonoflows. But as far as the overall sound quality, these do sound good. Bass sounds good. It's just not the loudest volume in the world, but you can actually turn that up if you guys have the custom EQ option, which is new with these headphones, because when I looked inside the other one, it did not have it. But as far as everything else, these are definitely solid for me. I could definitely recommend them if you guys are looking for it. If you guys need it for like podcasts, maybe at work, you need a little bit of volume, these are definitely solid, especially for the price. So if you guys want to buy this headphones, I will have a link down below. If you guys like this video, hit it with a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of 1MORE and more tech to come. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.